I'm starting a new video with the SSI-l, the 3 megapixel Malin cam camera. I've removed the focal reducer, so I'm at the native f ratio of the telescope. It's a Lunt 152 double stack dual pressure tuners. The exposure right now is 161 milliseconds. The gain is at 21. Gamma is at -11. Contrast at 6. Saturation at -15. Red is at 0.83. Green at 1.34. And blue at 1.34. I'm going to adjust the I went to adjust the histogram, and everything went wacko. So let me bring in from the left. Let me go back and reduce the contrast. I'll go back to the defaults with the histogram. Adjust the black level. Black level is at 1. Something I just adjusted did not go as planned. Okay, there's the gamma at gamma's at -9 right now. Saturation is at -14. Contrast is at 5. Let me see if I can tweak the focus. Atmosphere is jumping right now. Now let's see if we can move around and see a little bit more of the sun. When the atmosphere steadies down, there's a lot of detail. Let me move it a little bit more. Well, look at the detail around that one spot. Let me see if we're going to change the gamma a little. Contrast. Tweak saturation. Gain is at 21. Let's see if I play with the gain a little. It's a gain at 23. Let's do a little bit more driving. I would have to say that this double stack Lunt, the DS2 module I just got for the 152, appears to be working fabulously. Let me see if I can do a little zoom. Use the crop box. crop and fill. Probably a little bit too much power for the atmosphere this evening. Go back to full. See if I can crop around those string of prompts. So let me change the gain a little bit. With the contrast. Change the saturation with the gamma. See if the focus is still as good as I can get it. I'm using a micro touch focuser from Starzona. There's a real prominent spot right near the middle. You can do a little bit of zooming around that. Atmosphere is not going to let me get it much better than that. Push up the gain, what happens? Oh, it blows it out. Reduce the gain, slightly increase the exposure. Really interesting.